At sino mag-aakala na dito sa Pilipinas may matatagpo ang fossils o mga buto ng rhinoceros at elephant? Dito lang yan sa bayan ng Rizal sa probinsya ng Kalinga. And what's interesting about the discovery, kung saan nag-decay yung buong animal, doon din natagpuan yung iba't ibang parte ng mga fossils. So malamang, hindi ito yung tinransport lang from other countries at napadpad dito through merchant ships. So malamang, rhinoceros and elephants were also roaming the Philippines, especially here in Kalinga, in North Luzon. Pero para sa akin, ang pinaka-interesting na discovery, or more than the fossils ng rhinoceros, were the stone tools katabi ng fossils. Apparently, ginamitan ng stone tools yung carcass para makuha yung mga meat. So, maring mga tao at the time na gumamit ng mga stone tools. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Now, kung ang rhinoceros fossils is at least or around 700,000 years old, the Homo sapiens, yung current form natin na species, has been around for only 300,000 years. So, ang layo ng 700,000 years sa 300,000 years. Yung mga taong gumamit ng stone tools na yon were hominins. Sila yung mga unang form ng Homo sapiens. It's interesting to know that 700,000 years ago, meron ng mga prehistoric humans na gumagala at naninirahan dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya it's an invitation for each and every one of us to be more curious and to be excited to learn more about our past. Perhaps learning about our past will also help us understand who we are. And perhaps understanding who we are can also empower us to chart a better future, not just for ourselves, but for our country and for our people. So, maraming salamat sa pagsusubaybay sa Biyahero, ang biyahe ng bawat Pilipino, kung saan we are featuring wonderful things about the country and beautiful things about our people. Walang iwan.